Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video, I would like to show you the way how to translate your whole paragraph on Apple Notes from one language into another language. How to do that? You just need to open the Apple Note application, open your app library and just tap Note, and after you got it, you just need to go click it to open it. And the next thing you need to do is just open the paragraph that you have here. I already have this paragraph, and the way to translate this whole paragraph is just go click one words on it and then just drag all of the words on this article. And the next thing you need to do, please take a look on these options that pop up on the screen. Go click this arrow and there will be a translate option. Go click it. And the next thing you need to do, there will be information about detected language that detected by the system, and you can just go pick the language that you want to translate it to. So here you just need to go click it, and you just need to find the language that you want to have. Let's say here I want to translate it into Korean, and then we already got this Korean translations. And if you want to change the whole documents with this Korean, you just need to scrolling down and you just need to click this replace with the translations. And here is the result. Now the whole article is already in a Korean language. If you want to bring them back, the things is just the same. You just need to block everything on the screen. And then block everything. Now you just need to go click this icon, go click translate, and you just need to pick the language. And the next thing you need to do is just scrolling down until you find the replace with the translation and just go click it. So that is the way how to translate your paragraph on an Apple Note into other language. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll let see you for the next tutorial.